The Garmin Fenix line has served as the benchmark for adventure-worthy smartwatches for a considerable period. Only 2 years ago, the Fenix 7 established a new standard with its exceptional navigation, mapping, and fitness monitoring capabilities. Even today, it remains a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and outdoor enthusiasts. Garmin has recently introduced the Fenix 8, which boasts enhanced battery life, more robust durability, and new features. In the following video, we will examine the primary distinctions between the Fenix 8 and its predecessor to determine whether the new features and enhancements are sufficient to justify the splurge. Let us delve into the specifics and reveal the truth. Starting with design, the Garmin Fenix 8 is built like a tank, just like its predecessor, but with even more ruggedness. Garmin has added a new sensor guard and leak-proof metal buttons which not only protect the watch but also give it a more robust feel. The Fenix 7 already boasted a titanium bezel and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal display, but the Fenix 8 takes it a step further by including these features as standard in most models. And here's a neat addition: the Fenix 8 now includes a built-in flashlight. Imagine you're out on a late-night jog or setting up camp after dark. The flashlight with its various modes can be a real lifesaver, adding a layer of practicality to this already feature-packed watch. One of the biggest changes with the Fenix 8 is the introduction of AMOLED display options. The Fenix 8 introduces AMOLED display options for the first time in the Fenix lineup. If you've been craving those deep blacks and vibrant colors that AMOLED screens are known for, you're in luck. But what's even more exciting is that the AMOLED screens also have a battery-saving advantage since black pixels don't need to be lit. If you prefer the tried-and-true solar charging option, Garmin hasn't forgotten about you. The Fenix 8 solar models, particularly the 51mm version, now harness 50% more solar energy than the Fenix 7, significantly improving battery life, making it even more efficient for extended adventures off the grid. Speaking of battery life, Garmin has made impressive improvements here. In GPS mode, the Fenix 8 can last up to 95 days, and if you opt for the solar version, that number jumps to a staggering 149 days. Compare that to the Fenix 7's 57 days 73 with solar, and it's clear that Garmin has made some significant strides even in smartwatch mode. The Fenix 8 offers up to 30 days or 48 with solar, which dwarfs the Fenix 7's 18 days. Whether you're a hiker, a runner, or just someone who hates charging gadgets frequently, the Fenix 8's enhanced battery life is a game changer. Garmin didn't just stop at battery life, they've added a microphone and speaker to the Fenix 8. A first for this series. This means you can take calls directly from your wrist or use voice commands like start a strength training activity without needing your phone. This hands-free functionality can be incredibly useful during intense workouts or when multitasking on the go. Another major upgrade is the dive support. The Fenix 8 is now dive rated up to 40 meters and includes dedicated tracking modes for scuba and apnea diving. If you're into underwater adventures, this feature alone could make the Fenix 8 a must-have. Garmin has always been known for its exceptional tracking and navigation features, and the Fenix 8 continues this tradition. The Fenix 7 already set a high standard with its accurate GPS, multiple satellite system support, and advanced fitness metrics. The Fenix 8, however, introduces enhanced sensor accuracy and improved mapping capabilities, including detailed terrain contours and customizable map layers. This means even more precise tracking for trail runners, hikers, and outdoor adventurers. Garmin has overhauled the interface for the Fenix 8, bringing it more in line with what we've seen in their AMOLED Forerunner range. The graphics are sharper, the mapping features are more detailed, and overall the user experience is smoother and more intuitive. Unfortunately, these improvements aren't coming to the Fenix 7 through a software update. So, if you want the latest interface, upgrading to the Fenix 8 is your only option. Of course, all these new features and enhancements come at a price. The Garmin Fenix 8 starts at $999.99 for the 43mm models and goes up to $1,199.99 for the 51mm Sapphire Solar editions. In comparison, the Fenix 7 starts at a more accessible $649.99 with a top-tier Sapphire Solar version available for $899. While the Fenix 8 does come with a higher price tag, the added features and improvements in battery life, display quality, and durability might justify the extra cost for serious adventurers and fitness enthusiasts. The Garmin Fenix 8 is undoubtedly a significant upgrade over the Fenix 7, offering improved ruggedness, a choice between AMOLED and enhanced solar displays, extended battery life, and new features like a built-in flashlight, microphone, speaker, and dive capabilities. If you're an existing Fenix 7 user, and these new features align with your needs, whether it's the AMOLED screen visual appeal, the dive support, or the hands-free voice commands, then the Fenix 8 could be a compelling upgrade. However, if you're content with the already impressive capabilities of the Fenix 7 and don't see the need for these new additions, sticking with your current model might still serve you well. Thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.